minimalist luxury favorites video. Let's get into it. I'm obviously not like actually a minimalist. I just feel like I'm like way more minimal than the normal girl. So let's get into it. Unboxing. I've been wanting this puppy for so long. And then it occurred to me, like, I think it was 2 weeks ago that I got her. And I was like, why have I been waiting? Like, honestly, why have I been waiting? And this is like exactly how I do things. This is how I book trips. This is how I do so many things. I just like called my sales associate at Cartier and said, are you in tomorrow? And she was. Okay, so it's the Cartier rolling ring. It's white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold. It says Cartier literally right there. It's engraved. It's really small and cute. And it goes with my little diamond pinky ring that I wear daily. I think it's perfect. I actually haven't been wearing the diamond pinky ring as much. I was influenced to buy this ring by my friend Marilyn, who's 80 years old, and she said every chic woman who lives in New York City needs a Cartier rolling ring. She has two. She wears one on her pinky and then she wears one, I think, on the middle finger. And it was actually really funny. I'm just putting this together now, but when I got this, I put it on my finger, and like when I was leaving the store, I like had it on my finger and I looked at it and I was like, oh, I need a bigger one for the other hand as well. So eventually we'll get that. Okay, next up, I have to give it to my brand's packaging. So these are the pearl necklaces that I hand make here in New York City. They're knotted between each pearl. They're really high quality freshwater pearls, and they have these beautiful 14 karat gold vintage inspired clasps, gold fill clasps. So and they're like collarbone length, and you can do the size custom to your neck length. I like describe how to measure your neck length on the website. So it's like literally made to order and bespoke for you. So I've talked about these before. They're incredible, chunky, dainty. But what I haven't talked about is the packaging, which has improved since I started making them. I include these little velvet like envelopes, and I love that they're also velvet on the inside. This comes with it, and it comes in a hand stamped RR envelope. I'm in love with these. I got this, like, this is my logo. I got the stamp made for me, and I just love that like it has that like personalized element. It feels like small batch because it is, and it just, I don't know, this is just like my style. I just like it. Also, Cartier also gives you a little envelope with the ring. I've just been really into jewelry recently and bling, and I kind of think it makes sense that like women for centuries have loved adorning themselves with metals, high quality metals like gold, and, you know, high quality stones like diamonds and rubies. Like, they actually have a vibration. Pearls as well. Pearls, I feel like, are very calming. They feel really feminine and peaceful. But like different stones have different vibrations. I think what diamonds are supposed to do is they enhance your energy, kind of like clear quartz crystals. Emeralds, I'm not sure about, but rubies I think are tied to wealth. So yeah, I'm obsessed with jewelry right now. As you can tell, I'm just like really into it. Okay, also another one of my favorites is my new lip combo, which is Chanel Nude Brun Lily Rose Depths lip liner. It's like a really perfect nude color. I'm clearly applying it very expertly. I also sometimes put it there on my little moles with Rhode. This is like the just clear peptide, but in the vanilla scent. That makes a huge difference. Yeah. Like, look at how much it enhances. I feel like this is like my perfect color. This is my perfect lip color. Why? And it's literally just lip liner and clear road gloss. I also feel like, okay, the things I'm talking about, the items I'm talking about, I like iconic, classic items. This ring, fucking iconic and classic. My pearl necklaces that hug your neck just like at the perfect length and are really sexy, iconic. Rhode lip tint in clear. And I mean this, clear, not the tinted ones. The clear is iconic. The packaging, the way it looks on your lips, there's just something so chic about it. The way the applicator is like so tiny. Like, I have kind of small lips. This is like a tiny applicator, right? But like everything about it, the design is just perfect. You know what I mean? Like, I think iconic designs are like channeled from God. Do you know what I mean? So, love that. Okay, what's next on my, I know it's next on the list. Modern Mystery School Life Activations. I've been doing a lot of these because I have like a healing center in New York where I do them. I'm certified by the Mystery School to do life activations, cord cuttings, Insophic, Reiki, all sorts of things. But I recertify every year at the Mystery School. And life activations are like my favorite to do and receive right now. Oh, James just got home. They're my favorite to do and receive because what they do is they insert light into your system. Like they like fill you with your divine DNA and like light from like above. And I just like can't describe how it makes you feel. Like, you feel more like yourself. And what I've noticed for myself, which is why I get them like, I used to get them like once a month, which was like definitely a lot. Now I feel like I get them once every 3 months, at least. And what they do is like, what I've noticed in my clients and in myself is just that like it creates like an under the surface like shift in the tectonic plates. Like, if you are Earth and like the tectonic plates, you know, are under the surface, really far under the surface, the life activation creates a shift. And then it takes a while for the effects of it to like come to the surface. But like literally months after the life activation, my clients are always like, I got a new job, or I changed career, or I broke up with this person, and I just feel like a lot more like myself, and I'm seeing patterns in my behavior and in the behavior of other people around me, and I'm like realizing I kind of want to change the people around me. Like, I'm realizing like shady behavior that I hadn't noticed before, things like that. Like, they're literally being more themselves, and like I just love I'm just like so grateful to share this healing with other people and to like receive it. Like, I'm literally on the verge of tears because it's fucking baller. And it's just like, it's the same purpose as all the other stuff that I share online around curation and beauty, and fucking jewelry is beauty. It's around like enhancing your own beauty. And how do you enhance your own beauty? You be more authentic to yourself. That's what's beautiful. That's why kids are so elegant, like effortlessly elegant at times, because they're just like so deeply authentic. So yeah, Modern Mystery School Life Activation. I'm telling you, check out my website, come to New York, get one from me. You want one. Okay. What's next on the list? Ooh, Chantecaille foundation. I haven't used my Chanel one recently just because I like this one so much. Like, look at this gel. It's like a gel consistency. It's very different from the Chanel one, which is more liquid. And I don't know, I just like it. I still have the Chanel one. I don't know. I'm just vibing with this one right now. If you like supernatural, like all the time people are like, wait, you wear makeup to me? Like, people who know me in my life. If you like that kind of makeup, you are going to like this Chantecaille foundation. Okay, this one has actually kind of been life-changing. The main brush. I was walking down Madison Avenue. This was like 2 weekends ago. And you see so many beautiful women on the Upper East Side. I was just like, I feel a little bit like I need to step up my game. And I kept looking at myself in like the reflection of windows, or like in the restaurant we went to, there was a mirror. And I was like, my hair just looks a little clumpy or like dirty or something. And then I went in, like I stormed into Sephora. There's a Sephora, I think it's like on 54th or something, and bought this main hairbrush. And I'd seen, I think, Matilda Jerf brushing her hair with it, and I was like, oh, that looks kind of like it'll feel good on the scalp. It has these like metal prongs, and boy does it feel good on the scalp. And it made my hair, like it gave me the effect I wanted exactly, which was to kind of give me that like blowout. Obviously your hair needs to kind of be blown out, but to kind of like separate it, all the chunkiness, and make it just look like this. I think it's kind of like what people want from the Mason Pearson brush, except, as you know, if you follow me on TikTok, I have owned I've actually owned 3 Mason Pearson brushes, all of which I've given away because I just wasn't in love with them. And I like this brush better. I also like that I have the mini version, because this is a brush that can definitely tear your hair. I don't know if you can tell, but I have extremely fine strands of hair, and it can like definitely break easily. So this brush with the metal bristles, it's like a little harsh, so I'm very delicate when brushing my hair with it, and I'm glad for that reason that I have the mini version. Yeah, it's cute. Also, Maine. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. I had the Wavy Talk thermal brush. I have it actually still. It's not as good as this one. Also, look at how big this barrel is. Like, once I blow dry my hair looks, is very well blow dried. Then I can do like 4 passes or something on my head with this, and it got my hair to like this kind of level of crispness, which, like that kind of like uniform vibe. I really, really like this. Although I do think my hair from like consistent use for the past like month and a half is starting to look a little dry. So I'm going to try to use it sparingly. One of the last items, I think this is the last item I want to show you, is this carry-on suitcase. It's from Bricks. I've owned this for a very long time. My mom bought it for me when I was studying at Oxford, so that I could take like little Euro trips, little short trips around Europe. And it's a 4-wheeler, and it's just like so classic and chic. Like it's all leather, and on the inside I have stuff in there, but can you see that it's like yellow? It's not like black and ugly on the inside. I just love that. And I've always thought like Rimowa gets so much screen time, and I don't like those suitcases as much as this one, which feels very kind of European and cute and chic. So yeah, jewelry. Oh, my last favorite item. This one's a little boring. Elta MD sunscreen. This sunscreen. This is the only skincare item right now that I own that I'm like, oh, I'm actually committed to this skincare item. So first off, it is zinc oxide. This is a mineral sunscreen, and it's actually transparent. I know this is like famous. I know people know about this, but like, this is my favorites video. I'm gonna share whatever the fuck I want. And I like this sunscreen. Look at how it's actually transparent. Like, it actually disappears, and it's zinc oxide. So I also feel like it gives my skin that kind of like dewy, pretty finish. So that's nice. I like that sunscreen. What was your favorite item? Can you guys comment what your favorite item that I shared is? Tell me in the comments. Is your favorite item the Trinity ring? Is it the pearl necklaces or the packaging? I don't know. I'm just really into jewelry right now because I kind of feel like this sounds so bad, but I kind of feel like it's because I'm increasing my self-worth. And for that reason, I want like valuable things on me. Anyway, I love you guys. Subscribe. Bye.